Welcome. This is the second part of the tutorial on installing Mecodify on the cloud services that are available. Earlier we had DigitalOcean to demonstrate on. Now we'll do the same tutorial for Amazon. Amazon's AWS LightSail, which is quite a user-friendly and straightforward cloud system. So as we did earlier, we go through the steps. We have here actually 7 steps compared to 8, so it should be shorter. So remember that you should always have had the Twitter bearer token available for you to copy and paste. So the first thing you do is you can open this account, this link. We again assume that you already have an AWS account and you're logged in. So once you're logged in, you'll be seeing this page. It allows you to create an instance. So the first step is to create an instance. So we click on Create Instance. And here there are options for you to choose from. Keep everything as it is. And then as the third step says, you need to select Blueprint. From the blueprints, the LAMP, which is the Linux, Apache, MySQL, PHP stack, PHP 7. So go ahead and select it. So this is the one that's selected. And then after that, you take on the fourth step, which is going to the optional menu and then clicking on Add Launch Script. So you go forward and then to the optionals and add launch script. Okay, so this is quite familiar to what we did in DigitalOcean. So we actually go ahead to the raw file, open it in a new tab. This is the LightSail launch script. So you go here and then you copy this content and you paste it over here, just as the instructions indicate. And then the fifth step is to basically include the API into the value of Twitter API bearer. And so similar to the time we did with DigitalOcean, remember we have this value to plug in right here. So we go over to our value and copy it, the bearer value, and then go over here and paste it. So now we have it pasted and ready. And then we move forward, and the next thing is to click on Create Instance and wait for another 5 to 10 minutes. And these are the plans. You can always change that as well later on. But everything stays the same, and then we click on Create Instance. And now we do the same and wait for another 5 to 10 minutes. I'll pause and resume later. Okay, so we are back after 10 minutes, and we'll notice here that it says the instance is running and a particular IP address is given. This is the location where our server is. So we go ahead and select this and then go to a new tab and try to paste that, and voila, there you have it. Now we have the same installation as a clean blank Mecodify installation available for you on the LightSail AWS service. Notice again that you have the option of adjusting the storage and everything else. There you can do a lot of changes for storage, metrics, etc., etc. So with that, we are done for today. Make sure that you go through the various notes that are available for you in the installation file in Mecodify, and if you have any questions, feel free to email me or contact me directly via the repository or via admin@mecodify.org. Thank you and bye-bye.